Mama is cleaning the bathroom ceiling.
What they go?
You are cleaning our bathroom ceiling.
Yeah, cleaning because it's dirty.
Good job, Mommy.
Okay, when you go up, you do this, okay?
Okay.
So that it will be clean. It's dirty, and it's like dirty. See, it's dirty. You know what? If the house is clean, you can rest well and relax. You understand?
I understand.
Okay. So you have to clean the house. This is Mommy's exercise. I love cleaning the house.
Yes.
Are you?
Next is the kitchen ceiling. Wow, Mommy, good job. This is your job, cleaning the house. Right, Mom?
And my job is to take good care of you.
Us.
Us. I love you, my love.
I love you, my mama.
I love you.
I love you.
It's really
Dirty.
dirty. Is it dirty? No.
Yes.
Not so dirty.
Yes.
Because Mama is keep cleaning the house. That's why it's a little dirty.
We cannot.
You can't let our house dirty, okay?
Yes. Now, Mommy is mopping the floor.
Mopping. Wait, go. Merienda tayo mga langga. Nagutom ako. Tapos na akong gawa ng mga gawain ng bahay. Kunti lang. Yung kasing nakaupo ako nang nakaupo. Nang walang ginagawa. Para ako magkakasakit. Gusto ko yung may ginagawa ako. Kain tayo. Napay. Palaman ko is ito. Karat.
面包 only， 我不想要有果酱。
好，快走。Thank you for watching.